Earn passive income on Etsy. Yes, you can. Imagine waking up every morning to find that you've made money while you were sleeping. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not just a dream, it's a reality that many people are living today. Are you dreaming of earning money while you sleep? Picture this. You go to bed at night, and by the time you wake up, your bank account has grown. This is the magic of passive income. Passive income is the key. It's the secret door to financial freedom and flexibility. Imagine having the freedom to work from anywhere at any time and still make money. And guess what? You can achieve this dream with Etsy. Etsy is not just a marketplace, it's a platform that empowers you to turn your passions into profits. Etsy is a website where you can sell things you make. Whether you're into crafting, designing, or creating unique items, Etsy provides a space for you to showcase your talents. But here's the exciting part. You can sell digital products too. These are called printables. Printables are digital files that customers can download and print at home, making them a convenient and popular choice. People buy them, download them, and print them at home. This means you don't have to worry about shipping or inventory. It's a hassle-free way to make money. You make the product once, and it can sell forever. Imagine creating a beautiful design once and watching it generate income for years to come. That's passive income in action. It's about working smarter, not harder. You can enjoy your life while your digital products do the work for you. The best part? Starting an Etsy printables business is super affordable. You don't need a huge investment to get started. With just a small amount of money, you can launch your own business. You don't need a lot of money to begin. All you need is a computer, some creativity, and a little bit of time to create your products. And the earning potential? It's huge. As your products gain popularity, your sales can skyrocket. The more effort you put into creating high-quality printables, the more you can earn. People are always looking for beautiful and useful printables. From planners and calendars to art prints and educational materials, the possibilities are endless. You can turn your creativity into a real income stream. If you love designing and creating, this is the perfect opportunity for you to monetize your skills. Ready to dive in? Let's explore the exciting world of Etsy printables. Join the community of creators who are making their dreams come true with passive income on Etsy. What exactly are printables? They're digital files that people can print. Think of things like wall art, planners, greeting cards, and workbooks. The possibilities are endless. People love printables because they are affordable, convenient, and offer instant gratification. Imagine this. A busy mom needs a birthday card for her child's party tomorrow. She can hop on Etsy, purchase a cute printable card, print it at home, and voila! Problem solved. That's the magic of printables. In the next section, we'll explore different printable niches and find the perfect one for you. Now the fun begins choosing what kind of printables to sell. There are so many options. Do you love to design beautiful wall art? Are you a pro at creating organizational planners? Or maybe you have a knack for designing fun party invitations? Let's see what's popular on Etsy. Type printable into the search bar. Wow, look at all the results. Planners, worksheets, templates, and so much more. See what catches your eye. What are people buying? What can you create that's unique and special? Remember, the best niche is one you're passionate about. Choose something you'll enjoy designing, and your enthusiasm will shine through in your work. Section 4. Designing your printables. Canva to the rescue. Don't worry if you're not a design whiz. Canva is here to save the day. Canva is a website and app that makes designing easy and fun. It's like having a magic wand for creating beautiful printables. First, sign up for a free Canva account. Then, choose a template or start from scratch. Canva offers tons of fonts, colors, images, and elements to make your designs pop. You can design anything from simple checklists to stunning wall art. Play around with different elements until you're happy with your design. Remember, simplicity is key. Keep your designs clean and easy to read, and most importantly, have fun with it. Section 5. Setting up shop, your Etsy store awaits. It's time to open your very own Etsy shop. Exciting, right? Imagine turning your creative passion into a thriving online business. Etsy is the perfect platform for selling your unique printables and reaching a global audience. First, create a seller account on Etsy. This is your gateway to the world of online selling. Fill in your details and make sure to verify your email to activate your account. Choose a catchy shop name that reflects your brand. Your shop name is the first impression customers will have, so make it memorable. Next, list your printables. Think about what makes your designs special and how they stand out from the competition. Upload clear and attractive photos of your designs. High-quality images can make a huge difference in attracting buyers. Show your products in the best light, literally and figuratively. Now let's talk about SEO, or search engine optimization. This is crucial for getting your products seen by potential customers. SEO helps your listings appear in search results when people are looking for items like yours. This means using the right words so people can find your products on Etsy. Research popular keywords related to your products and incorporate them into your listings. In your product titles and descriptions, use relevant keywords. Be descriptive and clear about what you're offering. This helps Etsy's search algorithm match your products with what buyers are searching for. For example, if you're selling a wedding planner, use words like wedding, planner, printable, and organizer. Think about the specific features and benefits of your product and highlight them. Think about what words people would type into Etsy to find your products. Use those words. The more relevant your keywords, the better your chances of appearing in search results. Good SEO will help your shop get noticed. With the right strategies, you can drive more traffic to your store and increase your sales. So, get started today and watch your Etsy shop flourish. Section 6. Spread the word marketing your printables. You've got amazing printables, now it's time to tell the world. Marketing is crucial to get your designs noticed and appreciated by a wider audience. Social media is your best friend. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter are perfect for showcasing your work. Create a Pinterest account and make beautiful pins that showcase your designs. Pinterest is a visual search engine, and it's a great way to drive traffic to your store. Share your printables on Instagram with eye-catching photos and videos. Use relevant hashtags to reach a broader audience and engage with your followers by responding to comments and messages. A great way to get people excited is by offering a free printable. This can attract potential customers and give them a taste of your work. This could be a simple checklist, which is always useful and appreciated, or a fun coloring page, which can be a hit with both kids and adults looking for a relaxing activity. Offer it as a download in exchange for email signups. This way, you can build a mailing list of interested customers. Now you can stay in touch with potential customers and tell them about your new products. Regular newsletters can keep your audience engaged and informed. Don't forget about Etsy ads. These can be a powerful tool to increase your visibility on the platform. These ads can help your products get seen by more people, driving traffic and potentially increasing sales. You can set a budget for your ads, big or small. Start with a small budget and see how it performs. Experiment and see what works best for you. Track your analytics to understand which strategies are most effective and adjust accordingly. Happy marketing. Section 7. Keep going and growing your Etsy journey. Congratulations, you've launched your Etsy printables business. Now, be patient and consistent. It takes time to grow an audience and make sales. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Keep creating new and exciting printables. Experiment with different niches and see what resonates with your audience. Listen to your customers. Pay attention to their feedback and reviews. This will help you improve your products and provide excellent customer service. The world of Etsy printables is full of opportunities. Embrace the journey, be creative, and have fun. Your passive income dreams are within reach. Start creating today.